Your corner tail lamp moldings can become dented or even showing chrome damage after many years on the road. When it's time to replace, we've got an identical reproduction for you. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 through 72 El Camino rear corner tail light moldings. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. These are sold individually or in a pair to suit your needs. We've sold more than 1,000 pairs to satisfied El Camino owners since we first introduced these in the end of 2004. The corner moldings are manufactured from premium die-cast metal and features a correctly located mounting studs for a smooth installation. By using case-hardened steel tooling, you can be assured that your molding is the most authentic on the market. At the end of production, every molding is finished with a triple chrome plating. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.